Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we did multiple fission. Now we are going to start with budding method, which is also a type of asexual reproduction. So budding takes place in yeast cells. Now you will say yeast belongs to which kingdom? Yeast belongs to kingdom fungi. Is it clear? Now the in budding, what happens? The nucleus gets divided into. I will show you freshly. Suppose this is your yeast cell. Then treat what happens over here. A tiny outgrowth is seen. A tiny outgrowth. This is bud. This is bud. Bud. This is bud. A tiny outgrowth. Outgrowth. Then what happens? This bud grows bigger with the accumulation of cytoplasm. This blue area, are you able to see? Yes. This is cytoplasm. So this bud gets bigger with the accumulation of the cytoplasm. Then what happens? The nucleus gets divided. The nucleus gets divided. The nucleus gets divided. The nucleus gets divided. First bud formation, then cytoplasm divides, then nucleus gets divided. When nucleus gets divided, the shape is like this. It looks like this. Okay, this is budding method in yeast. Okay, so takes place in yeast cells. The nucleus divides into two or one or more nucleus passes on to each one. Okay, the nucleus divides into two and one nucleus passes on to each bud. Can you see this bud formed? The movement of nucleus. The nucleus got divided and it is going to another, passes to the another bud. Then each bud cuts off from the mother cell. Then as soon as the buds are formed, right, they cut off and live an independent life. They live an independent life. They may be repeated, resulting in one or more chains. Why one or more chains? I'm showing you one. Suppose this is one yeast, a tiny outgrowth. Then accumulation of cytoplasm. With the accumulation of cytoplasm, it will grow bigger. Then nucleus gets divided. Then the nucleus gets divided. Yes, when the nucleus gets divided, what happens? The nucleus becomes like this. Yes, when it becomes like this, what happens? Another bud comes out to another one. Okay, then same process which I said you earlier, that repeats. Then as soon as this is formed, then another a tiny outgrowth is seen. So this is the chain. This is the chain of yeast cells. Can you see this chain of yeast cells? Okay, and it is not that अगर एक cell यहाँ पर है, one cell is over here, another outgrowth is seen. As soon as it will not grow bigger, with that means suppose this is then one. No, this is not possible. First, what happened? This grows, then only one comes. This grows, then only one comes, and nucleus divided one at a time. This divides, then this divides, then this divides. Not that these simultaneously it will divide. Okay, shall we proceed with the next one? That is fragmentation. You see, in filamentous plants such as Pyroga and Eudothrix, the filaments break into two or more small pieces of fragments. Each fragment grows into an individual. Okay, suppose this is a fragment. The first is filaments. Okay. First I will say, what is filament? What is filament? It is a long thread-like structure. Long thread or ribbon-like structure. Sorry, I'm a bit clumsy over here. Oh, sorry. What is filament? Filament is a long. Sorry, I'm a bit clumsy. Oh, come on. Okay, let's have. Yeah, what is filament? It is long thread or long thread or ribbon like structure. Okay, everyone, is that clear now? Okay, so in filamentous plants such as Spider-Gyra, okay, in filamentous plant, what is filament? Long thread like structure or ribbon like structure. In such as Spider-Gyra and Erythrox, the filaments break into two or more. Yes, the filaments break into two or more. The filaments break into two or more pieces of fragments. I will say what are fragments. Now what over here, the filament broke into two pieces or two fragments. Now each piece lives an independent life. So I said you what are fragments. I will discuss that. So fragments are small pieces of filament. Small pieces of filament are known as fragments. Small pieces of filaments are known as